Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and I'm going to try and do some gardening without Howie's help today. It's going to take a lot, but I'm at least going to try and get a few tomato plants planted. But first, I have to make my magic dust for my tomatoes. Here is all the eggshells that I threw into this bowl that sat on top of the wood stove all winter long and toasted them. Here's plain Epsom salts. And all I'm going to do is dump my shells in there, and it says I have 2.5 cups. So to that, how do I open this thing? I hate things that are childproof because it makes them arthritis proof as well. All right. And I'm going to put in about a cup of Epsom salts. Little, Epsom salts. Now listen, folks, don't put your tomatoes' roots right on this. You want to mix it into the soil. What this does is it helps replenish the calcium and magnesium that the soil loses when you plant your tomato plants in the same place every year. This prevents blossom end rot. And we're going to grind it. And into a baggie this goes. That's plenty, because you only really need like a tablespoon under a heaping tablespoon under each plant, and mix it into the soil. I don't know how well you can see it because I'm blinded by the sun. These are 3 tomato beds. That one is being taken up because it's now under too much shade. That's going to be a tomato bed and one beside it. I did some weeding yesterday. So let's go get some soil. This is going to be the hard part. Here's what I'm doing. I'm going to take a bucket or a bin, fill it up with soil, put it on my walker, and walk it back to the beds. Yeah, my camera's going to be backwards. Don't ask me why I was wearing my glasses when all I did was sweating on them and I couldn't see anyway. I'm covered in bug spray and we're taking a break. There's my plants. The tomatoes seem to be doing okay. So, there's more than one way to skin a cat or fill a bed. Right? Just got to take your time and plug away at it. I'm going to sit here for a few minutes and then I'm going to get back to work. All right. This is what I meant when I said they got burnt. So I'm going to be a little bit ruthless here and pick these dead leaves off. Notice that when the plants were bigger, I planted them all the way up and I took the dead leaves off and then I planted them all the way up to the next leaves. And I mixed my magic dust in the soil. I didn't put the plants directly on the dust. I mixed it in the soil of the hole. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, there's more than one way to plant a tomato. But this is all I've got in me for today. But I think I did really good. 6 tomatoes in, 7, 8 to go.